Role play 9, discussion at laundry.
Hamoud and Rashid are friends. Hamoud wants to send his clothes to the laundry shop for dry cleaning. He goes to Rashid and they both talk as follows.
Rashid, today is Thursday. Will you not wash your clothes?
No, I do not wash my clothes by myself, but I send them to the laundry shop.
Oh, you are such a lazy.
No, that's not the case. Actually, I'm busy because of my job and I hardly find time to wash clothes.
Okay. Well, just tell me which laundry shop do you send them to?
Do you also want to send your clothes to the laundry shop?
No, actually, I have to do dry cleaning of these clothes and iron this one. Can you tell me where this shop is?
Great. Go straight then turn right. There you will see that shop on the corner.
Okay, thank you very much, bro Rashid.
My pleasure.
Hamoud reaches the laundry shop. He talks with the washerman as follows.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Hello, sir. I am fine. How about you?
Yes, I am fine too. I just have to dry cleaning of my clothes and iron this suit.
Okay, I will do that.
When will these clothes be ready?
Tell me when you want them.
I want them today itself, just after nearly 3 hours.
Ironing will be done, but dry cleaning cannot be done till next Friday, because we have a lot of clothes.
So, that means you can do the ironing within an hour.
Yes. Ironing will be done within an hour.
Okay, well, tell me if you can remove that stain. It looks bad enough on this shirt.
Yes, for sure. I will wash the clothes in such a way that the stain will not be visible. Don't worry.
That's good. Well, I'll be back after 1 hour. Please get my clothes ironed.
Yes, sure. Take your time. It will be ready within 1 hour.
Okay. How much should I pay for ironing?
Not much, just 60 rupees.
Here it is. Thank you.
Thank you too.